Which tree?
This one right here, the big one.
Hey.
Lala.
You're smelling there.
My,
Delilah.
Delilah.
If I track it,
Yeah, that grows.
the
Yeah,
entrance
I'd
for the
like to
snow.
put in some. Well, I'm going to start one tonight because we're going to have a dinner party Friday night. I hope
Oh, yes.
if people
Come here,
that are here,
Come
and I thought I'd serve that bread.
Come here, Demi.
Looking for the track.
Good
Yeah.
girl, come here. She's like, I don't know how, Mom.
Oh my gosh, look at this snow.
Tell Jacob I'm sitting on the porch drinking
he's got
Stanley
some-
watching the snow. Hello, hello. It's an incredible storm we got going on. You got you know, 2 foot on the level, and it's supposed to get high winds tonight, which should drift that into some pretty incredible things. Yeah.
Good tuna.
See,
Go get her. Go play.
so you'll get it tomorrow and the next day. I haven't looked at my email all day, but I will check. Uh-oh. What's it about? Uh-huh. Okay. All right, I'll send that to you. So the neighbor's dog is an 8-month-old boxer, about the size of a Holstein cow, and the mom's pup was out there in the middle of the trail through the snow, and so he just bowls him right over.